Babette, they whipped us with shambox. And we Safa, stop. They whipped us. All the police came in. They whipped us with shambox. And we played. They whipped us some more. And we played more. Hello guys, welcome back to another tasty video. Hello guys, is that loud enough?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start again.
No, it's fine.
Okay, hello guys, welcome back to another tasty video.
Why are you
It's all nice and sweet things here. Literally, no beef. Literally, it's gonna be pizza, guys.
introduce yourself?
Oh, God, I record.
Okay. Cool.
Okay, guys. Anyways, kamla Siphilele, ngandingani, ngobhesti kaSixibiso. Ubebekele balancing him just like this phone on this tripod. Uzophila but it's okay.
Before ngithi buzz. Buzz mngana. In what sense?
Ubalancing him. But asikho lapho angisivumisani ngiyasho nje kodwa it's fine.
Whom are you again? Okay. So introduce it, guys. Welcome back to another tasty video. It's all nice and sweet things on this channel. There's no beef, literally. It's gonna be pizza, guys. Jobe say introduce like bestie. Siphilele ndingane. Nyamas being vacation corner like balancing. But it's fine. Okay, cool. What are we doing today?
So today, guys, is Lala ABC challenge. Makambania's ABC challenge. It's a game A, B, C. So what happens is each of us has to create a sentence depending on what we played. So I start with A and then I end with B and C. So whatever you say, that sentence may go A, B, C, obviously depending on what we played. And
are we using Zulu or are we using English or are we using both?
I'm just thinking if I get to see no,
okay, so we're using both. I guess that's both.
No, it's kuphela. Ngiyadlala everything. Hayibo.
Zunglish.
Hayibo. We get to H.
We are practicing. I'm good. It's fine. Who's gonna start?
Guys, sitting a reference kahle.
Oh yes.
So we need phone yami. And 2, umuntu obhedayo, we have.
Do we have to? Do we have to like? Sibe netime ukuthi if ungawucanga igama or isiqala ngo-C like in 10 seconds.
10 seconds is a long time.
I'm just making an example.
Okay.
Because that's where you're gonna drink.
Yes.
You know, so opuzekaning is not gonna get ice cream. Yeah, lose. It's not gonna get an ice cream.
How?
Mom, you told us so dizzy. So you're not getting ice cream.
But at the same time, I'm losing me now, so I was having a fridge Sulele. By the way, still is a halal, guys. Anyway,
Angazingena club.
Until ice cream Sulele.
But we came losing. And usudla ngokuntshontsha.
Ngiyazongibuyisela ice cream esitshensayo.
Usabayo.
Ukusala ngizoba ngithole ice cream.
So
anyway, guys, this is the
yabona nje ngoba senze example nje, that means I'm not gonna lose. Already usecabanga ukuthi if it is Zulu zohamba.
The reason why ngenza le example is because I know Sicebiswa kalala ebusuku. Upapa mama 4 bra. Uzohomi ufumpoza amanzi. Sicebiswa ubusy nefone. Uyahleka and it's just like, hey, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. But yes, I call up because this is about you. It's about this game that you're playing today. Fine. Okay. You can start.
Are we really gonna fight?
I'm gonna use my phone as a reference, guys. So we're gonna manage.
Oh yes.
Eat like it.
Oh, you.
It's balancing your phone,
Okay. Pushing to 30 seconds down now. No more letters. No.
No.
Please,
my sister.
I speak in English.
Big.
Oh. Are you gonna eat ice cream?
Bet you bet.
Did you say?
Don't start with me.
Everybody knows that you're not gonna eat ice cream.
Find yourself one person who will agree with that.
Get over it.
Ha ha ha.
I can't with you.
Just stop it, please.
Know why?
Love of my life. Hello.
Know why? For me, okay, cool.
Drink.
What?
Well,
okay. We don't even have the time. Okay. Mary had a lunch.
No, she didn't.
Oh no, I did.
Piano, I think.
Question is, are you happy with just you said now? With what just you said now? With what you just said now?
It's raining outside, so I don't care.
It's raining. You're gonna drink, man. Let alone losing birthday isn't this, but you're gonna drink.
I don't want to say this.
Question is, are you happy with just what she said? With what just you said?
Guys, I hate the taste of realized.
Me too.
Igcwele kodwa. I had a little lamp my foot.
Let's go. Okay. Sorry.
Do you start again or do you continue with the letters?
I'm not sure. What do you want to do?
I will start with the thing.
With where you stopped. Okay, cool.
Where I stopped? Really, no, this tastes bad.
So you think you can do it?
Timbuktu, what do you say? Timbuktu, what do you say?
Umbrella? What did you say?
Vase.
Wait. All of this is not making sense. Okay, can we give it one more try?
But it's not never going to be a sentence.
No, it can make sense. Trust me. Umbrella vase. What is that?
When we eat umbrella, why would we eat umbrella?
Okay.
For umbrella. When so that was the only thing you're thinking of. How?
Can we start again?
Go back to A, right?
A. You are starting now.
Yes.
Okay, let's start. My sister,
Am
please. Okay.
Am I dark or is this lighting?
Baby, you dark and it's this lighting.
Chile, it must be me, I tell you.
Definitely.
Everything I do shines, I see.
For real?
Gorgeous every time.
Ow. How?
I mean, everything shines like a 10 minutes.
Jewelry, right? That's what you wanted to say? Jewelry?
I'm the key.
You are taking a shot.
Guys, I create a sentence kind of lamb. And it's a sentence that flows. It's just that
I know.
I like talking about myself.
True.
Like
We're waiting for you to drink.
Guys, this is such a bad influence, by the way. Let me tell you a story. Schools is such a bad influence, guys. Kwaleka masithethe ayiphuzani iviki lonke. Wait, ubalinda mina uthi mboy khona zizoyiphuza nami.
Just go to the other videos. Just go to the other videos.
Yeah, Baba Mkhulu Leanne. I bought one, she bought the other one. Le enye Baba Mkhulu.
You can't lie. We can see that you lie.
Ayibo.
Okay, put them on. She's lying.
Guys, ngicela ukuthi ngakhipha u-300, 400 nje mina. Utshwala. Anyway, Mary had a little lamp angazi kanjani.
Okay. Basically, okay.
Okay.
Yes, you're supposed to say something about
Keyrings, keychains and everything. Keyrings, keychains and everything.
Love is not love, which alters with its alteration. What? Do you remember Shakespeare?
See, love is not
Love, which alters when its alteration finds. Or bends with the remover, whatever. Something. Shakespeare. Okay.
Man is the root of all evil.
No way.
Oh God. Still think I'm lying.
Please tell me you're not lying.
Queen, I never lie.
Really?
Super duper, really.
Tell me. Do you like me?
Umbrella. I cannot speak for myself.
Uqinile umbrella wami kodwa. Vele ngibingekho ukukhuluma. Vele ayikho into obuzoyikhuluma.
Ukuthi kuyoba njani?
Xenophobia is wrong.
Yes, hlukana nje naleyo nto.
Ow.
Thank you.
Cishe ngathi awuzala. I'm tired. I'm done with you, baby girl.
Today really sukambe ekhanda. She bought the bottle. Luna. Guys.
Angiphethe umkhuhlane. Why am I drinking? Muthi umkhuhlane. Okay. Zebras have black and white stripes. Pity them, you know.
Am I the drama?
We're starting fresh.
Let's just, as Namas challenge, let's just finish A to Z without failing. Am I the drama?
Baby, no.
Care to share why?
Due to personal circumstances, I cannot share that.
Elephants are huge.
Fairy tale?
Giants and everything.
Hi, boo. No, let's actually do a Zulu version. I can do Zulu version.
Okay, let's start.
Zulu version. Zulu. On the English one, we both drank Zulu.
I drank twice.
But like, okay, let's do Zulu now.
Okay, so
I don't understand why my fingerprint is not in her phone, but that's okay.
as if we has a bank account, bank number, and bank card, what's
I know it.
Friends.
I know it. Perfectly fine. And I'm happy.
My fixed friends.
But I know one at least.
My bank out 3. You're supposed to know 2.
Why?
Because the other were 2.
No.
Wait. As we have 10 bank. Guys, if you watch previous videos, you know why we shaming on time bank. But I'm a bank out 3.
What I'm saying is, I know 1. This is full of clip. This is full of. I ain't guys.
Guys, but if I die, maybe like.
You see, at least I know 1.
It is in a account. Was it
Yeah, keep it safe.
Actually, bump.
Okuthela ngiyeza ukuthi imali engena lapha eyobhubhula. So, ngiyocela ukuthi ayikho imali ekumele siyibhubhule. Okay,
let's go.
Zulu version.
Abanye abantu banamanga.
Baphi?
Abanga nje wena uzobona.
Dudlu ntombi. Usho omunye umfana phela. Ethi uyangishela.
Ekuphi khona lapho?
Faka umoya uzobona.
Gadla.
Hayi bo, ngabusasho.
Inkinga bewuyini ungasabukhumbuni.
Jiki. Umfana useyithi phahla ngeimbali. Hawu.
Ngifuna ukuthi khalakatha.
Okay.
Khalakatha. Wasusuthini wena?
Lalela phela ngithi mina yinomuntu.
Makubheka wachazela.
Ngeke phela azayizwe leyo.
Oh, akukwazi phela ukuthi ungamthatha umuntu mangabe useqedwe kugahlekisa nemishini ngamaflower.
Ngepani mina.
Qephu iqhoks lapha nawenza.
Okay. Let's see what next. Rebecca Maluka. Please. Angisukeli bandle ngazicela.
Sizayithwala idombolo. Phindela phela ngixoxele ngomfana.
Tomboweni. Sasimbiza kanjalo-ke.
Uba lo mfana lo uqeda ukuthekela amaflawa.
Vele ngikhuluma ngaye.
Wena wasindwa yinyawo nje kwakumele ngabe kade waqoqa. UTomboweni phela uyazi ukuthi wayesayina imali leyani lapho isibhe.
Isitori singaka. Angithi ngwayisekani. Usiphelele uza kungixoxela izitori.
Yazi into engiyaziyo ngami ukuthi ngifuna le ndaba ithi ishelelele nje ishelelele izikufli
Zulu Mageba ndaba ezitha wena owangithengela ibali.
sishayele guys.
No, this one no one drank.
Sishayele.
Also don't ask me why uTitomboweni phinde zobela ndaba ezitha.
It's a story for another day.
Yeah,
It's a story for another day, guys. Alright, guys.
so I won technically, so I'm gonna have to have more ice cream. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna show you my second ice cream now. Egelandoa
When guys yini nithi Magnum ngasabi guys. Magnum ayibizi kakhulu. 30 rand kuphela. 30 rand kuphela. Kodwa-ke futhi asengifakile iphezulu ukuthi nithi Magnum bese sisho nje.
khona tin roof or country fresh ola.
Guys khona
Ola is an umbrella brand, but it's fine.
It's as a
Uyayibona le ebomvu. Konje yini kama rich and creamy.
Guys, nithathe a brownie, is a chocolate brownie and something. Guys, that's my favorite.
Oh yeah,
Okay, that's my favorite. Ngenxa yokuthi asine woolworths cheese, so I have to stick to
yeah. Mina ngithi nje wonke ice cream noma ngabe muphi. Wonke ice cream is my favorite.
the best ice cream is vanilla ice cream. Case closed.
Not
Thank
the best.
you.
Fine. How's that? Okay, first of all, I don't know why she's eating my ice cream because first of all, I won the APC challenge.
Guys, we're still in tin roof. What is totally vanilla ice cream and Ay, it was umhlophe ice cream. Asula nje.
My was honest.